So my little daughter has been wanting this toy for a few days now. Okay, so right now she is on her little dinosaur face and she wants all things dinosaurs. Alright, let's have her open it up. What is it?
No. Raptor!
You think it's the raptor?
Yes.
Okay, let's see. Can you open it?
Yes.
Ah.
Wow! This one is a dinosaur! It's a dinosaur! Wow!
You ready to open?
One.
Go.
Whoa! Look at the wow! Raptor! Oh, that one's the big raptor.
Look at a big raptor.
That one's the...
So this one is from Jurassic World. We got it from Walmart. And
Oh!
it's like a little hand puppet.
Try it.
So you put your hand here. Look, his eyes. That's cool.
The cheese raptor.
Oh, that's pretty cool. So this is what it looks like with.
The raptor. It's very nice.
You like it?
It's a good raptor.
Hi.
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 I want to eat Leia's hand. Nom, 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 nom.
Nom, nom, nom. Nom, nom, nom. Oh, she's a red raptor. My candy.
I'm so sleepy.
Take it out. Mama.
Night, night. Baby says night, night, Leia.
Night, night. Night, night.
Ah, okay, let's take it off. Is the raptor biting you?
Yes.
I'm so silly. Okay, let's put the battery on. Can I please see it?
Yeah.
Okay. So there's a Velcro over here
Oh,
that opens up.
that opens up.
Yes.
It opens up.
And then
And the water.
two Velcros to secure your hand better.
Oh no, there's a
So-
water, but oh,
There's the
keep on. There's a water.
Yeah, there's a lot of raptors now, huh? The battery compartment is right there. Batteries. So you can detect touching the head part, nose, and so let's see how it works. Let's turn it on. Oh, touch its head. And then touch its back like this. It smells you, Leia. Ooh, Leia smells so delicious. I want to eat her. And then you can pat his head. Oh, good raptor. And then you can pat his back. Oh, it's a good raptor.
There you go. You got you. Wonderful.
Oh, it's a good raptor.
Good raptor.
Is it heavy? Is it heavy? It's heavy? Do you like it?
Yes.
I'm happy you like it.
It's a baby. Cute. So baby. So cheese was welcome. Cheese. Cheese. I want to eat you.